How to see who viewed my Instagram video. In order to see who has viewed your Instagram video, you first need to go ahead and open up your Instagram and then head over to profile. Now you are going to have to turn on your profile insights. For that, you need the professional mode. Tap on the three lines at the top right and then simply scroll down until you find account tools and controls. So tap on this and then switch to professional account. Keep tapping next. Select a type of the account creator. If you want to display it on your profile, you could do that as well. I'm just going to switch to professional without turning this on. Now you have two options. You could either create creator or select business. I'm just going to continue with creator account. And once that is done, your account will now successfully be turned into a creator account or a professional account. So all you have to do here is tap on the video and then tap on view insights. And here you will be able to see number of views, watch time, and the interactions. So from here on, you could see the people who have liked your post. So simply tap on view insights and here you should be able to see your views and your interactions. So let me just scroll down here. As you can see here on this video as well, it has 15 likes. So if I tap on view insights, here I should be able to find the views and then the watch time here. And in some cases, if someone has shared it to your story, you will be notified. And this person right here has shared my video to their story, which means that they have most definitely viewed my video as well. So these are a few ways you can know if someone has viewed your video or not. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.